Well, we're joined here now by Brian Negus, who is President of ITS Australia. Welcome to the program, Brian. You've been President for 5 years of ITS Australia?
Yes, I have, Gareth. It's been a really exciting time. Building to this crescendo we've got basically starting today. So it's really been a fantastic journey. We've had to pull together all of those elements of what's required for a World Congress. We've had to keep delivering member value to the members of ITS Australia. And I've sort of got this other job at RACV where I'm General Manager of Public Policy. So from a state and federal government perspective, that's been really busy as well, focusing on road and public transport projects and improving road safety, but using also digital systems and big data to actually deliver value to RACV members of the community.
And what are some of the challenges that you're facing?
When we started this process, we set up about 9 subcommittees, and they were about sponsorship, exhibition, the program, the demonstrations, the technical tours, the social program, marketing, communications, and sort of focusing on speakers. And we actually appointed a number of our members in ITS Australia to those subcommittees. And across that sort of last 4.5 to 5 years, just keeping the focus in those areas. And fortunately, we've had some great people heading up those committees from the board of ITS Australia and from our membership. So keeping the focus in that area, working with those teams to make sure we deliver a value product has really been a challenge. But it's also been very busy in making sure we do the right deals. Getting permission to use the F1 track at Albert Park with Parks Victoria was a bit of a challenge. And actually, getting into the World Congress Centre, the Convention Centre in Melbourne, was pretty straightforward, but there's a lot of logistics to sort out. So it's really those logistic issues, sorting out approvals, sorting out the process, but keeping focus on the main issues of the sponsorship, the program, the technical tours, and the demonstrations around Melbourne.
And what are some of the initiatives, I guess, that your members can look forward to out of this Congress?
Well, I guess the big one is really about connected, but also automated or autonomous vehicles. And they're quite different. Connected vehicles is really connection between vehicles, autonomous is vehicles running on their own. And the industry is leaping ahead, and governments are in catch-up mode in terms of regulations, protocols, communication platforms. That's really lagging, and the industry's not waiting. They're actually racing ahead. So that's a real challenge for the industry and a challenge for governments, and we're trying to assist governments in that particular process.
So there's certainly a lot to discuss this week, so it's going to be a very busy Congress. All the very best, Brian, and thanks very much for joining us.